Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not working properly. So to start, close Discord and go to settings. Now, once you open settings, scroll down and go to general. Next, scroll down and look for iPhone storage, tap on it. Now in here, scroll down and look for Discord, or you can also search it. Type in Discord, open it. Now, here you have two options. You can offload the app or delete the app. So let's tap on offload app, confirm the action. And as you can see right here, you can reinstall the app. So tap on that. This will free up storage used by the app. So it keeps the documents and data, and reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So let's just wait for it to finish reinstalling, and then we can go ahead and open Discord and see if that solves the problem. For another method, you can also again go to settings. Now scroll down and go to Wi-Fi and see if you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. So you can turn it off for about 10 seconds to refresh it, and you can turn back on and see if that works. You can also use your mobile data. So try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and from mobile data to Wi-Fi and see if that solves your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.